All right, so we're standing right in front of a property that we are flipping. You might have seen the before on this property. It was hideous. This was a property that we actually bought through a wholesaler, which we bought through a guardianship, which we had to go to court for, which ended up taking months and months and months. And I'm gonna get into more of those details, but we're gonna walk over the property right now. I'm just getting back into town. I wanna show you how good it looks now, just compared to what it looked like before. So come on, let's check it out. I know that it's at least empty. I don't know much more than that. I know we're gonna have to repaint this ugly door. Look at how filthy that is. You can see there's nothing in here. It still stinks. Look at this fridge. Dare I open it? Look at that fridge. That is, if that's not the most disgusting thing you've ever seen, we need to get this out of here. Oh, look at that. It's disgusting. And I don't even have a good smell right now. That one just bit me, okay? We need to pull this out of here. First order of business, Daisy, is get him to fix these locks. This door right here is pretty hammered. Let's get a new door in here. This is what I was thinking. So let's just knock out all that. I think this is just a soffit. This one's running a vent. If he can take this part out for sure, all the way, like, let's just get rid of all of this. And then we'll relay out the kitchen and we'll bring the island coming this way. It definitely dates the house. I think it'll make us more money, but he's got to be able to clean that line up. We got to make sure that there's no ductwork in there. I don't think there is. It's just, I think it ends there. I think it's pure soffit, but he's going to have to go in there and look. One thing I'm going to tell you right now, what he needs to do is he needs to spray this floor with Kills. Kills is a smell eliminator. This house still has a funk to it. So he needs to make sure he's already shot Kills on the walls, I can tell, but he needs to shoot the floors too. So literally you need to have him at least shoot the bedroom floors because he's painting over them. It might screw him up if he does the hallways. We should take this whole wall and make it glass to here. What I want to do is I want to enclose this and I want to put a tub in here and the shower where the shower is. So I want to have them where they can walk through because this was a tub, right? So I want to have this whole thing tiled. He needs to build a shower pan out. What we're going to do is we're going to build a little bit of a wall out here and then we're going to want to put some glass to here. We need to run plumbing for a tub that's going to sit inside this little area. We might also want to have glass this way. If they can save this mirror, save this mirror. If not, rip this mirror out and we'll put just 2 mirrors from like, not Home Depot, but we'll put 2 mirrors from like Home Goods or TJ Maxx, okay? So basically we're gonna do a tile. That's gonna go from here. It's gonna go all the way through here, here. And then the shower pan tile is gonna be 1 tile. And then what he should do is he should take the 6x24" white tile, the shiny tile, and he should roll it all the way through here. Now what we're gonna do is we'll do a cool design. Design will actually come into the floor like a waterfall right through here. So he's gonna basically have it come all the way up. The little inlay is gonna come all the way up through here because that'll be like the focal point, right? And then all we need to do is just put a soapbox in this wall right here. Or he can do, if you want, he should take the shower out pretty far. So he could put a soapbox here. He could put an oversized soapbox, you know, that fit both of them as long as that they can reach it. I think he should put it in this wall, but we could also do something cool here is what I'm saying. But I think tiling it all the way to the top is the way to go. So this is our master closet right here. On this, if we can take it all the way out, because I believe it is just a soffit, we want these lights to be just can lights in here. So you can just turn these into a couple can lights, LED lights. We'll need to change out these light fixtures here. It would be nice to add a couple can lights. Top of that right there. We need a can of spray paint, so we should be marking all this stuff. So are these windows solid? Yeah, windows are solid. This can stay just the way it is. Paint it, and then we're gonna wanna put a piece of granite on the top of it, okay? No sparkly stuff. On this one right here, we're just gonna wanna do a tub and a shower. Same thing. I really wanna make these bathrooms look good, so tell him to just wall tile through here, and then he goes all the way around through here. And then he's gonna do a tub so he doesn't have anything else to do there. We can save this mirror, but that whole box needs to come out, and we're just gonna do like 3 vanity lights, 3 individual vanity lights. Boom, 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 okay? Or if you can do 2 4s, either 3 sets of 3 or 2 sets of 4s. And that's gonna look a lot better. So let's get rid of that. We got a new floor tile in here, tub, shower. This is gonna be our focal point. So we'll put a soapbox here, inlay down here, and that's it. So we're gonna tile this whole area right here. And this one can be tiled though in here. This can be the same tile that we use in the bathrooms on the floor. He needs to change out this light, change out this light. These lights are fine. We need to change out this fixture with something cool. So when they walk in, like a small little chandelier. The ceiling fan's fine. I'd like to see us add like 1, 2, 3 ceiling fans right down the middle, or we just keep this ceiling fan the way it is and we drop some can lights. I think it's gonna be easier for him to do 3 ceiling fans right down the middle. So he wants to put one here with a light, one here with a light, and then I would probably have him start with this one, come down to the middle, stop again, same place he stopped over there. And then we have 3 universal fans that look cool and give some fresh air. This door needs to go away. Window's fine. Fridge definitely needs to freaking go like ASAP. This needs to come down. Yeah, we have air circulating right here. So I don't know if all this can come down. So we probably just need to keep this up. We'll paint this mantle, either like a brown or like a stain kind of color. We'll rip this part out and then we're gonna tile all the way down again. All right, so we still gotta look at the garage, right? All right, so comment below, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do. What we're doing in this video is we're really just laying out a house, right? We're just trying to maximize value. I could go through and absolutely do nothing on this house, and I may call Daisy tonight and be like, yeah, everything we talked about in that video, forget it, because I'm gonna go look at the comps, right? This is the tile that we're gonna be doing in that house. He needs to build a new water heater here. He needs to fix this drywall around here. This needs to come out. Pro tip, if you have a water softener, you have a potential inspection problem. If they want a water softener, you're making that prediction that they're gonna want that. So I would say cap it off and call it a day and throw this out. Other thing, this is what our garage floor looks like currently. We showed you what the other one looked like at the last property, which was Howard Dade, which we got top market value for. We're gonna get the garage working. We're gonna paint this whole inside of this garage so it's bright and white. We're gonna make the floors speckle gray. All right, so yeah, I would just get some more of this same rock and then have him plant a couple flowers back here, and that's it, end of story. Tell him to pull this chicken wire out and this thing out. This is a trip hazard. We might need to paint this like yellow around the edges. So this, he needs to paint black. Pull the screens off, and that's it. This house sold for 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 grand, 2010, 2009. Daisy wanted the property, and it's probably gonna go north of 350. How much do you think it will sell for? And do you think the real estate crash is coming? Because I definitely do. Would you buy this house? It's a townhome with shared walls in a gated community in a decent area of Henderson. It's nice and quiet, ample parking. Looks like the HOA takes care of a lot of things. Let's just double check to see if I can paint that. So they're white, he's got none. They got no door. I think we should ask them, but if we can, paint that thing black. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video with a friend, and make sure you get started investing in real estate. Peace.